students, welcome back to the Drawing Express again. So today we are going to discuss the E blends, okay? So E blends means we are going to blend the Uyir E, that is the vowel E, with all the Mei Ezhuthukkal, with all the consonants, the letters with a dot on the head, okay? And we are going to form the Uyir Mei Ezhuthukkal, okay? So for this, the E blend will have this kind of matire. It's just like going up and rounding. So again, it's similar to the E blends, okay? The main rule goes the same. Think that all the letters have a mook there, okay? Don't touch the mook. Then go behind and start doing the blends. That is one thing to remember. If they have a mook and they also have a hand, like the nga, it has a hand, always use the hand, okay? To put this matire, okay? And make sure that you bump all these letters. Can you see? You cannot just take it straight. For P, don't just take straight and rotate. Bump it and then go up and turn it. Okay? So that is all you have to remember. Okay? So now let's go ahead and read the letters. Ki, ni, chi, ni, di, ni, ti, ni, pi, mi, yi, ri, li, vi, ri, li, ri, ni. Yes? So I hope you practice reading and also writing. Okay? And if you have any doubts, keep them posted with me. See you again in the next episode. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. Okay? So, naliki pakla. Okay? Until then, bye.